Mogadishu by night. This used to be a battleground between the armed group Al-Shabaab and African Union forces. But there hasn't been fighting here for months now, and people are taking full advantage. This is the hot spot for Mogadishu night revelers. Village Restaurant is in the centre of the city. Ali Abdurrahman has just returned home from London. She's amazed by the change.
It's my first time coming back to Somalia, to Mogadishu. It's getting better to see how things are going because I miss the country and I haven't been here for 11 years and it's my first time even coming to this area.
People are here for the food. They're also here for the good company.
The life is really so different. I did not believe that I will see many different people coming from different countries. Somali people are speaking different language, not only one language now. They have a different political ideologies.
Somalis returning home are also helping to rebuild this city. Muhammad Ali runs a construction company, paving roads.
About a year ago, this was a different place. Now the safety, the construction is booming business, and I want to take part of it.
This is one of the reasons why people are feeling safer. A year ago, Al-Shabaab would have been stopping cars coming into the city. Now the checkpoints are run by Somali police. As you can see, the police are asking for ID. These checks are absolutely crucial to maintaining the security here in Mogadishu. This time of night is when members of the armed group Al-Shabaab will infiltrate the city carrying arms. There are many parts of Mogadishu which are still very dangerous. There are reports shops are being looted by Somali soldiers and other armed groups at night. We saw African Union forces patrolling the city. There is also new solar-powered street lighting in some areas. Peace is bringing a new sense of confidence. Mogadishu is coming back to life. Nazanin Mashiri, Al Jazeera, Mogadishu.